guys, and welcome to my first video on my new channel here on YouTube. I have two channels right now, and I'll put the links to the other channels in the description in case you want to check out some other stuff. I do some kind of stuff with Call of Duty and gaming and Minecraft, and then also I created a train video where I'm trying to do a model train from start to finish. You're more than welcome to check those out. I would appreciate it. Please subscribe and like my channels. I'd appreciate that as well. Anyways, today let's get started on doing a Vlookup. We're going to do a basic Vlookup in Microsoft Excel. And what we're going to do here is I have the names of some employees, let's say, and their job title. And what I want to get is their salary and their bonus information. And basically what we're doing is we're just saying their salary and their bonus is based off of what position they have. Just trying to show you something, so I just made something up here. So what it's doing is that if I change this, let's change distribution from Mike Shaw to manager. If I change that, then you can see it changes everything there without me having to go back. Let's, whoop, gotta spell it out here. So that's what we're doing. And if you look at my formula here, you can see I put title list. I'll show you how to do that. We're going to do it both ways, so I can show you how it works. But that's this right here. I named this so I don't have to select the range. I'll show you what I'm talking about. But let's get started. So I've got this here. It's the exact same image of what I just showed you, except for there's no formulas. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with this first one in cell D4, and we're going to do equals Vlookup. We're going to do a bracket. What's our lookup value? Well, we want to look up manager. Okay, so then you click on cell C4 because that's the first one, and then we're going to hit comma. Now, what's the table array? Well, the table array is the area that we want to get the data from. So we're going to just select this whole range here. So it's G3 through I9. That's our range of what we want to get, comma. Now the index is going to be where are we looking? We're looking here in this range. We need to count over how many columns we're going to get the data that we want. Well, we started the range here because that's where it's looking. We're looking for the manager distribution, this and that. But the information we want to pull is in column H. So we go over 1, 2 columns. So we hit comma 2. Okay? And then we do comma false. And that gives us an exact match. And then we end the formula with closing it out. Hit enter, and there you go. You've got your information there for salary. Now, I want to copy this down. So I'm going to copy this formula down. And see what happens? It gives me NAs. Because when you go here, if you look at the formula itself, it's moved this data range that it's looking for out of range of what we were trying to look for. So what I'm going to do is I always want to look up in column C. So I'm going to put a $sign. So C's never going to change. It's always looking in column C. But then here, I want to put a $sign in front of, in front of here and in front of the number 3. So those will never change. Same thing with I. Put a $sign in front of I and in front of 9. And those will never change. And then hit enter. Now, if I copy that down, I should get rid of the NAs. And it does. So, that's how you do that. Now, I want to show you something else. I showed you how I named this range here a certain title. So I'm going to do that again. So you just select what you want, and you click right here, where I'm at, and you enter a name. I'm just going to call it data. Enter. So now that range is data, and you can see what ranges you have by hitting the down arrow. So, we're going to do this again. Except for this time we're going to do equals Vlookup. We're going to start our formula. what do we want to look up? We're still wanting to look up manager because that's the key to finding what we want over here. But instead of having to select that range, now all we have to do is type data, comma, and how many columns do we want to go over? Well, we're looking for the bonus, so we're going to go over 1, 2, 3 columns this time, comma, false for exact match. We hit enter, and we do copy, and we're going to paste it down. And there you go. That's how you do a basic VLOOKUP. So now over here, if we change this to manager, it changes. So that's how you do a basic VLOOKUP, guys. Like I said, please check out my other channels, Wingdinger Productions, and like and subscribe to both. I appreciate it. Make any comments or questions in the comment and question section, and I'll do my best to answer them. Thanks, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Have a great day.